morning, guys. So I'm gonna go clean this up here. I don't want it to be like have branches down here. Look, Abby, keep eating it. Buang gulis Abby ay. We're gonna start.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay. Let's clean. Like that more. Okay. Woo, that's nice. Hi guys! Oh my god, today is Wednesday. So I came home from work, changed clothes, and now I'm gonna make some food. Actually, I did started already. I already started, so I made the what's that? Ooh. So I already made the sauce. In our sauce, I did put light brown sugar, honey, ketchup, white wine vinegar, cornstarch. I put soy sauce and ground black pepper. Ayan. So we're gonna start cooking. Cornstarch right here. Coat our chicken. And then we'll fry it. Yeah, so once you see the edge of the wooden handle, you see bubble, it means your oil is hot. It's ready to go. I'm gonna start with this thing. And while our thing is cooking, we're gonna start with our fried rice. Gonna start with the, okay, so we're gonna do the egg. Gonna put the egg. This is how I put the egg. Not that much straight. Okay guys, look at our fried rice. Here are our fried rice. Add a little bit more of salt. Then we're gonna add our egg. what? This is yummy. Try all of them. That's yummy. There you go. Our fried rice is done. Yum. Looks yummy. Fried rice is done. Here's our fried rice. Oh. See? That one is done. Just sit there. And we're gonna cook our chicken out here. This is definitely done. Turn that off. So I'm just gonna let it cook until it's thick in the sauce. Okay guys, we're gonna put our chicken. Put our chicken up here. Right there. Then you just toast them together. Toast them together until the chicken is coated. There you go. Yeah, so our sesame chicken is done, people. Put that one there. And then we're gonna mash some sesame chicken, sesame seeds, whatever. That's our sesame chicken there. There you go. Sesame chicken is done. Yum. Wow. Okay, good. It's time to eat. It's time to eat the food. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat right away. And so we're gonna. Ay. Scoop some rice. I'll put some rice. Interesting. Yan. So this is our dinner for today. Sesame chicken with fried rice. Here you go. Real quick. Yan.